Yo, what's up, guys? This is Chad from Super Chad Fitness. Today I'm up in Deltona, Florida with the Heist guys, helping everybody experience inner strength together. That's what that stands for. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do a strict muscle up, or some of the progressions that you guys can do to actually learn how to do a strict muscle up. So stay tuned. So the first exercise I'm going to show you guys is, well, some of the prerequisites. So some of the prerequisites, I would say that you have to be able to at least do 10 pull-ups. Now, most people will say just the 10 pull-ups, but I'm going to take that a step further. You should be able to do explosive pull-ups. So what do I mean by that? So first, let me show you what a strict muscle up looks like. So I'm going to jump up to the bar. I'm here. No kip. I'm already up on the muscle up, okay? Now, if you can do 10 pull-ups, next part is the explosive pull-up. So you got a couple of options. You can pull up, just get your hands off the bar. If you can try to explode up a little bit more, try to clap and get your pull up. Just to show that you have some explosiveness. The more explosiveness you have, the easier the muscle up is gonna be, okay? So those are gonna be my prerequisites. Now let's get to some of those exercises that are gonna help you guys out, okay? All right, so the first exercise I'm gonna show you guys, you guys have probably seen this one before. This is a banded muscle up. So I'm using a pretty heavy band right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the band, I'm gonna pull it down, put my foot in it. Make sure you know how to use the band properly, because I've seen people hit themselves with the band before. All right, so I'm pushed down on the band with one foot. I'm gonna take my other foot, I'm gonna wrap it around just for extra security. I'm gonna grab the bar just like this. I'm gonna swing out a little bit, muscle up, and then back down. Muscle up, and back down, just like that. Okay? Now, as you get better, you want to use a lighter and lighter resistance band. I got some lighter resistance bands over here. So of course, as you get better, wean yourself off the heavy band and keep working towards that. If you're looking for a proper rep scheme, you should aim for 4 sets of 5 or 5 sets of 5. That way you're increasing your strength. You should be failing by the 5th rep. Once you can start breaking 5 sets of 5, like you can do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, decrease the band, change the band, move on to harder progressions until you get the muscle up. The second exercise I'm gonna show you guys is gonna be a weighted pull-up. So I got a 20-pound weight over here. Throw it down right here, hold it vertical. If you guys have a weight belt would actually be a little bit better, because this can actually tip over and actually hit you. We'll take this down real quick. Also, if you guys don't know how to set up a band, you put the band on top of the bar like this, put it through, pull it down, okay? Just in case you guys don't know how to put a band on the bar. But I got my 20-pound weight. I'm gonna grab here on the bar, I'm gonna grab the weight between my feet, pull up, full range of motion, okay? If you work through your full range of motion, you're gonna get more strength. Your goal is, again, 5 sets of 5, because we're looking for more strength and more explosiveness. And the more strength that you have, the easier it's gonna be, okay? All right, now let's get to this last exercise, all right? So the last exercise I'm gonna show you guys is just to work on the wrist turnover. The wrist turnover is the hardest part of the muscle up. So I'm gonna use a low bar for this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come up to this low bar. Notice that it's like about head height. I'm gonna put my hands on it. I'm gonna bring my feet in front of the bar a little bit. It's okay if your arms are bent. We're not focusing on the bent arms. What we're working on is the turnover of your wrist. That is one of the hardest concepts to grab on the muscle up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring my feet around. I'm gonna jump into this muscle up. I'm gonna come from here, I'm gonna jump and turn my wrist over. And if you wanna do the dip, you can go ahead and do the dip. The main point you wanna focus on is the wrist turnover. So from here and up, okay? Jump and up, okay? All right, guys, so those are my 3 exercises that are gonna help you guys achieve your muscle up. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave it down in the comments below. Of course, like, subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions, ask me. Till next time, guys, let's get it.